and welcome back to Mom's Bush Kitchen. We are your hosts. I am John, this is my mom Carolyn, and today we are making coconut shrimp curry. I know, you like these all, we're snacking on these just as we walk through the winds. It's like shrimp jerky.
I started off with basmati rice, and I seasoned it with yellow curry paste. This is a very spicy curry paste, but if you want some extra heat, I would recommend cayenne pepper. And then I did dehydrate the shrimp and I added some Old Bay seasoning.
And you can see as much in this. Honestly, if you just wanted to do this and dehydrate shrimp and take it in a bag as a snack, a really good snack for the trail.
And I have dehydrated onions, dehydrated peas. You do need to blanch your peas before you put them in the dehydrator. But if you buy frozen peas, whether it's corn or carrots, you don't have to do that because they've already been blanched.
Got it. And as we always say with this, make the recipe your own. If you want to add more onion, add more onion. If you want to add more peas, add more peas. Recipe can be found in the description below if you want to see our ratios and weights and all that good stuff, and just what we added to this.
I'm gonna put some coconut in there. In addition, a teaspoon of chicken bouillon, teaspoon of curry powder,
2
tablespoons of coconut milk powder. That's gonna give you that creamy coconutty flavor at the end.
Oh my Lord, we're gonna put some hot water in this and come back in about 20 minutes. And let's give it a taste. Whoa,
Yum?
It is yum. It's still a little bit chewy, so it could probably sit a little bit longer.
I'll give it another 5.
That's why we like these bags, so it doesn't get cold for some of these long rehydrations. It's super simple, and it's super delicious. Hey, for more awesome recipes, check out these videos right here. YouTube thinks you'll like this one, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss more awesome episodes from Mom's Bush Kitchen. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.